we'll start by circling the upper body clockwise, hands on the knees. Hands on the knees, circling your upper body clockwise. Inhale as you circle forward. Exhale as you circle back. Eyes closed. Let your breath reach all the way down to your root, all the way to the bottom of your lungs as you're moving. And then move in the opposite direction. Then on your next inhale, come right up to center. Inhale, suspend the breath in. And exhale. All right. Go right into our triangle pose. Coming onto your hands and knees. With your hands a little bit further in front of your shoulders, right here. And then curl your toes under. Let me. Yeah, yes. And then curl your toes under. And on the inhale, you're gonna stretch your booty up to the sky and you're gonna push back on your hands so that you're like in a triangle. This is your inhale position. And on the exhale, you move forward, you drop the knees, bring the tops of the feet onto the mat, and you let your hips sink, and you raise your head a little bit. This is exhale. And on the inhale, curl the toes under, push back into the hands, lift the hips up, drop the head, push back, and exhale. Knees, top of feet, hips move forward, chin lifts up. Inhale, toes, booty into the air, pushing back, head hangs. And keep that going. Exhale as you move forward and down. Inhale as you rise up. Letting your fingers be spread wide so that you have a great grip there. Keep it going. You can always modify. Just come onto your knees, and if this is it for you with your hips, that's totally fine. And when you stretch up and push back, if you keep your knees bent like this, that's totally fine. You decide your flow. And let your legs be about hip width apart, so there's a bit of a space between your feet right there. Yes, feel the energy rising. And let your breath help you. Let your inhale raise you up. And let your exhale bring you forward. Beginning to really bring in some of that breath awareness. Just a few more times. Beautiful. And then inhale it up, stick that booty out, drop the head. And on the exhale, slowly come down, sitting on your heels, spreading your knees a little bit to make space for your chest, and letting your arms either rest here right beside you with your forehead to the mat, or you can stretch your arms long in front of you. Bring your forehead to the mat. Hands on top of each other, right? Forehead on the hands, or just right here on your elbows. Just let it go. Just be there for a moment. Breathing. And then slowly come onto your back. I'm gonna move this microphone. All right. Come onto your back, so you're on your back. And bring your hands underneath your booty, underneath your hips. Do it like that triangle, right? The palms are down. This is to support your lower back so you don't arch up like that. So you keep that lower back a little bit down. And then stretch out the legs and point the toes. They're pointed away from you. And on the inhale, you're going to lift both legs up, straight up to the ceiling. And on the exhale, you're going to lower both legs down. Inhale through the nose up. Exhale through the nose down. Eyes are closed. Inhale up. Exhale down. And some days I get a little frustrated with life, and then I move really fast and I make my breath really powerful. And some days I just want to feel it so slowly, and I really want to go deep into it. So see where you are today and allow that. This one is for your navel center. And in yoga, we say that this is your navel chakra. This is where your spiritual warrior is. This is where your grit is, right? To keep going on that emotional healing path. This is what you're activating right here. Keep that going. Keep it going. Yes. Just a few more times. Allow that challenge, right? And really use the breath again to pull the legs up and lower them down. Last one, inhale up, exhale down. And then inhale, both legs up, suspend the breath in. And exhale, slowly, slowly lower down. Release the hands, palms facing up. And just let it go. Feel the energy moving. If any kind of emotion wanted to arise, allow it to arise. Inhaling deeply. On the exhale, bring the knees in. You can hold on to the top of the knees. I always go underneath the knees and rock backwards and forwards on your spine. And then rock yourself up. Rock yourself up. Back into easy pose. Yay. And we're already here. We're already at the meditation for today. And today's meditation is that Kirtan Kriya with the mantra Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. We're going to use the hands and the mantra. So Sa, thumb and index finger, Ta, thumb and middle, Na, thumb and ring, Ma, thumb and pinky. And then you start over again at the index finger, Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. Eyes are closed. Focus at your third eye point and imagine the sound coming in through the top of your head and pushing it out through your third eye. So you've got that L shape going. This is us recalibrating our brain waves and all of our cells. And I hope I have it here. Let's see. Yes, there it is. And we're going to first chant out loud, and then we're going to whisper, and then we're going to chant just mentally, but you keep the fingers going as you also chant mentally. It's a really beautiful one. Here we go, and I'm going to turn it up so you can hear it too.
Sadanama, 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 Sadanama,
And inhaling deeply, palms are open. And exhale. Just meditating for a moment on the energy on the lingering sound current. One more deep inhale. Arms up as you exhale, shake it out, let it go, distribute it. Bringing your palms right back together in prayer pose. And let's seal this all in with Sat Nam, truth is my name, a long Sat and a short Nam, inhaling to begin. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Wow, Sat Nam. Well.